Hey, this is Beck from the VoiceOver Family. Here we are at Dipped Doughnut's. Yummy Dipped Doughnut's. Oh, look at all those.
Hey, it's Amanda from the VoiceOver Family. I've been sending out dipped donuts for clients for a while, and I was getting really good feedback locally here around Vancouver. These are special donuts. They're vegan donuts, meaning they're dairy-free, there's no animal products in them, so they're basically plant-based. So Janine, the owner, was kind enough to let us come in and do a tour of her facility and see just how dipped donuts are made.
I even made one too.
The boys even got to glaze their own donuts. I know they were thrilled.
The name was so nice. They were so delicious. They have so many flavors, and they taste so good. They make the best vegan donuts. They're so good.
The best part, of course, is the sampling. Thanks to the team at Dipped Doughnutco for having the VoiceOver Family in their space.
Go to dippeddoughnutco.com. Mom, can I have some more donuts, please?